Hi guys, this is Mila's Projects. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to transform this server cabinet or console table. I'm going to be using chalk paint from Rust-Oleum today in aged gray, and this is chalk paint brush and also the TSP solution to clean my cabinets with. So after I cleaned my cabinets and I used a damp cloth to wipe off the TSP solution, I started off applying my first layer of chalk paint, and I was actually pleasantly surprised with how well the chalk paint went on. It was very thick, and you could see right here that it covered that dark wood really well. The great thing about using chalk paint is that you don't have to sand your furniture before, and you don't even need primer. Chalk paint, you can apply it directly to your furniture, and it will adhere to the piece beautifully. You guys are probably thinking this is a really great furniture piece to begin with. Why would I paint it? But to be honest, there were so many little scratch marks on it, and there was like coffee cup stains on it and watermarks on it, and it was just looking a little bit outdated in my kitchen, and it just didn't suit my decor, which is why I wanted to paint it because I felt it would fit better with the rest of my kitchen. So that's why I went ahead and I painted it. Wow, you guys, look at the coverage of that with just one coat of chalk paint. It pretty much covered the whole thing, but I still felt I needed a second coat just to give it that finish. So I went ahead and I applied my second coat. Here was the coverage after my second coat. To finish off the piece, I applied Bear's chalk paint wax. I just took some of the wax on a rag. You can also use a brush, but I just wanted to use a rag because I thought it would be easier. I just took a clump of it and just rubbed it into my piece. And as you can see, the parts that have the wax on it will be darker, so that will help you, that'll guide you on which parts you've done already and which parts you haven't. I applied one coat of wax, and it takes about 2 hours for the wax to fully dry, but I would definitely recommend leaving the piece alone for 24 hours so that it's fully dry before you place anything on it. And once the wax dries, you get a beautiful finish on your piece, and it protects your furniture for a long time. Also, with the wax, you can reapply in a couple of months if you feel that your piece needs a little bit of an uplift. Here's how it looked before. And here it is after. guys enjoyed watching my transformation. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and hit the bell button to receive notifications.